I think that's a fantastic question. And as I said, I mean, of course, I said it in jest, कि जैसे ही majority वाली government आएगी, वैसे ही ये काम शुरू हो जाएगा. But the point is, Chef, Hindus, when you say you have to start, when can we frankly talk about Hindus gaining Shastra? What was the word that you used?
Kshatratej.
Right, Kshatratej. I think the Hindus gave that right to a government not once but twice with a majority. And I firmly believe that the monopoly of violence has to rest with the state. Otherwise, there will be a civil war. There cannot be guns distribution amongst this thing. We will turn into a macabre land like America is. But I'll tell you what also needs to happen. This government needs to wake up. On the first day when it was elected in 2014, it should have made arrangements, Israel-like arrangements for the 7 lakh Kashmiri Pandits to go and take back their home. That sends a message. When Nupur is threatened with beheading from the top of mosque by hundreds of thousands of people pouring onto the streets, this government has to say, what has she done except quote from the hadiths? That sends a message. You do not send a message by ignoring what is happening on the ground. You send a message that, look, you do some hanky-panky and we are going to be after you, just like Dada said. Everything is in the constitution. Every provision to act just but act strong is in the constitution, is provided for. When you don't use it, don't blame it on the Hindu population that have voted the government twice over. You have to blame the government for not acting. It is like Narasimha Rao said, to not take a decision is also to take a decision. Usi mein lage mein कि नहीं decision नहीं लेंगे. And there are so many examples like that. Dada recounted 4 of them. You have a majority, yet you repeal all those laws. You have a majority, yet you go back on your word. When you constantly do that, at not only the political level, at the society level, when you are quiet about what has happened to the Palghar Sadhus, as you mentioned, when Mr. Modi, and today they have dug out his tweet, where he talked about the killing. He condemned the killing of BJP Karyakartas. Only once he's done it in 8 years. And those were 3 Muslim BJP Karyakartas. So a lot of BJP supporters are very justifiably very angry. That Shefali mentioned what has happened in Karnataka in BJYM. When you don't do that, these are simple steps. You're not even going out and asking for a extra cess. वो भी दे देंगे. You know, सब जगह cess दे रहे हैं, वो भी दे देंगे. But do what you're elected for. Zero appeasement and bring justice. That is all you're asking. Not for street violence, not for taking law into your own hands, not for anything else. But dispense justice.